Hi, my name is Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, the Chris Voss Show. Hey, we're doing another review of a great product here. This is Caséta from Lutron, and this is pretty amazing. You can go to casetawireless.com and check out all the different things they do. We got a chance to try out and review some of the kits and some of the individual pieces and parts of this, and it's pretty mind-blowing, all the stuff they have. And one of the things that we were really amazed by, it's really inexpensive. I mean, usually when you try and go Internet of Things, IoT in your house and make everything smart, it can cost you a fortune. But the products from Lutron are very inexpensive and very impressive. One thing that they have is, instead of having to buy inexpensive bulbs throughout your house or replace them all, you can pretty much just use their switches. So you can do the smart switches that do a multitude of different things and work with a hub to give you a smart, fast, reliable control, and it doesn't slow down your Wi-Fi because it's got its own hub. So that's pretty brilliant that way. It will do scheduling for you, different scenes for you. It'll give you smart ways so that when you leave, it can make it look like you're home. It will connect with a lot of different smart brands. Works with Alexa, Google Assistants, Serena by Lutron, Sonos, SmartThings, works with the Apple HomeKit, Carrier, Ecobee, Honeywell Home, Logitech, and the Lutron switches, Xfinity Home as well. There's just so much stuff that this thing works with. Now, you can buy it in a kit like we got to review, or you can get the individual pieces and parts and take them with you. It's pretty easy do-it-yourself installation. Not that hard at all. I was able to do it. You can even hire pros to do it as well. There's a smart remote that you can take and have with you, and either have it attached to a wall, a pedestal, or you can just carry it around your hand. Works in the homes of all ages, so you just replace the switching. Anyone can use it. There's no special bulbs that you need to buy, so you save a bunch of money that way. No Wi-Fi worries. Pretty quick to install in about 15 minutes according to their website, and easy to set up. And the Smart Bridge Home works really well. It never needs your Wi-Fi password. It's got lighting control that works even when the Wi-Fi is down, and fast, reliable control. Pretty smart in how they built this baby up, and you can take and check it out. We were very impressed with it. It's very easy to install. The pricing on it is stupendously inexpensive, and so you can do your whole house, and you don't have to go spend a bunch of money on expensive bulbs. So there you go. Be sure to give it a try. Check it out. You can go to casetawireless.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved.